What's up guys? Check this out. I've found a best A2308000648 A2308000548 Central that's honestly going to blow your mind. Trust me, you're going to love what this brings to the table. Let's start with the craftsmanship. It has a premium feel that you usually only find in expensive brands. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners on this one. Now, about the value you're getting here. You'd expect this to cost a fortune, but it's totally budget-friendly. High quality without breaking the bank. Yes, please. It's also incredibly versatile. It fits seamlessly wherever you need it, from office to bedroom. It's reliable, stylish, and honestly just a joy to use. Now, here's the catch, stock is moving fast. Check the link in the description for all